If you are a working professional, you must have heard about the term called quiet quitting. And then came the term known as quiet firing. And the latest trend which is going on, quiet hiring. So lots of turns and trends, right? Don't you think that all of these trends and terms are making the whole scenario very uncertain, especially for working professionals like you and me? And this uncertainty brings the adversity for all of us. Well, yes, there are lots of adversity, there are lots of uncertainty for all of us because of many reasons. And we all know the reasons. We are not going to discuss about that. But I'm going to tell you 3 secrets today, which going to help you to save your future, to make your future adversity proof and your career adversity proof. So let's start. But before that, hi, my name is Akanksha and I am a communication specialist where I help young professionals to improve their communication skills and grow in their career to live a better life. But before starting that, please like and subscribe my channel so that you can get lots of videos related to your career growth, your communication skills and improve, which will help you to improve your as an overall personality. All right, so let's begin now. It is very important to have your positive rapport and credibility in your organization and as a person you are. And first step to make a credibility or rapport is upskilling. Cross-functional expertise and vertical expertise. Vertical expertise, which means you have to have a deep knowledge and deep learning in your area or in your subject. Cross-functional means you have to have a horizontal knowledge in all across your functional and expertise. So these are the very important factor to upskill yourself to have a great learning and expertise in your various area where you can work as per the requirement. The second point in credibility is dependability. Always make sure that your recruiter, your leaders, your organization has a great dependability on your skill set. And for that, you have to have a great skill set which gives you competitive advantage than your colleagues. If you have that competitive advantage, be assured that your job is always secured no matter how adverse situation is going to be. So be ready and be adversity proof with your dependability. Now, next point is mentoring. See, it is okay to have lots of skill set and expertise, but not learn only not for yourself, but also to help others. Always remember that organization look for a candidate who always help and ready to help others. So mentorship or mentoring is equally important to build a credibility. Now, the second secret after credibility is demonstrating your skill. See, having skill is one point, but demonstrating of its skill set is equally important and essential when you want to save or secure your career. Because until and unless you demonstrate your skills, nobody would know that you have the expertise of certain skill set. So always make sure to demonstrate your skill. Now the question comes, how to demonstrate the skill set? So the first point is always have a digital presence. There are various platforms where you can showcase your skill set, including LinkedIn, Twitter, and many more. All right. So have the digital presence with your accurate profile, which you are looking forward to, which you are targeting to have a career growth that you have to have in your social presence. Now, the second point is your resume. Always see, having digital presence is one point, but resume is equally important because recruiters are having the resume as a proof of your expertise. So have the resume ready and always updated with your latest skill set. So have that resume ready and have that resume with your keywords. Recruiter always search the keywords based on your skill set. So if you're targeting to have a job related to certain skill set, have that keywords in your resume ready so that your resume will be ranked up. Okay, now the next point is cover page. Highlight those skills, highlight those expertise which you are looking forward to work on in your cover page, because cover page is equally play vital role in your job search. All right, so these are this area where you can demonstrate your skill set. Saying that, the most important point is, if you are already working, that demonstrate your skill set in your working, in your profession. See, whenever you grab the opportunity, whenever you have the opportunity to demonstrate your skill set, just grab that opportunity. Don't feel that it is not related to your responsibility, that is not under purview of your roles. Forget about it. Okay, in your adversity, you just grab the opportunity and work on any area where you can contribute. All right, so always have the attitude of contribution. Now, the third and most important point or secret is entrepreneurship. It is very important for an employee to have an entrepreneurial attitude towards the organization, where you need to showcase that you are accountable for your roles and responsibility along with your project, along with your organizational goal. It is okay to be accountable for your work, but it is better to be accountable for overall project growth, for overall project success, and for achieving organization goal. When your goal is aligned, when you are accountable for organization growth, then only the leaders, the organizers, or the recruiters will catch you, and you will be an apple of their eye. Okay, then second point under entrepreneurship is adaptability and flexibility. It is very important that you adapt yourself according to the scenario and be flexible according to the situation and scenario. For example, you cannot have location constraint in this adverse situation. You cannot have constraint on working hours in adverse situation. Always make sure that you have a presence. You have presence whenever the requirement is there. All right. So make sure that you are adaptable as per the scenario and you are flexible as per the need. And last but not the least point is networking. Networking is very important for working professionals. And I don't need to say that whenever there is an adverse situation, wherever there is a worse situation, that you have to search for a new options and alternatives, your network will be very helpful for you. So no matter you are working in certain organization, you are working with a healthy culture, but always ready for the future. You don't know what is coming in the future. So have your network active, have your network proactive, and have your network working for you. So always tap to your referral, always have the power, understand the power of referral, and that is how you can create a network which is going to be helpful in future. So networking is not only required for job change, but it is equally required when you are trying to have skill set under cross function, because you don't know who is going to help you through your network and who is going to help you to increase your expertise. So that is why networking is very important, to have your people around you. To brief again, you have to have three quality to have your career future secured. That is credibility or building a rapport. Then second, demonstrating the upskilling or your skills. And third is networking or having the entrepreneur attitude. So these three secrets, if you adopt today, your job will be secured and be assured. If you like this video and find it useful, please like, subscribe, and share to others. I'm going to bring another video like this and many more information content for you, so that it is going to helpful for your career growth and for your building rapport. All right. Thank you and see you in next video.